Let's have an honest talk. The world looks different than it did a few years ago. And though it's been tough at times, makers, DIYers, and creatives have come together as a community. It's in our nature to innovate, adapt, and collaborate. Now more than ever, RYOBI is empowering our passions and problem solving. RYOBI is proudly launching a full lineup of hobby, craft, and maker tools and accessories for the experienced pro to the ambitious first-timer. Innovative solutions for innovative people. Just like we got each other's back, RYOBI supports a premium line of accessories and attachments to fuel your ambitions. The new RYOBI lineup proudly features the USB lithium family, compact tools with increased power that boosts creativity. These innovative tools run off the same interchangeable USB lithium battery that charges from a standard USB-C cable. From rotary tools to power cutters, power carvers, and beyond, there's no limit to what imagination can bring to life. And let's not forget the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ system. Creativity isn't limited by challenges. RYOBI isn't limited by cords. The wide variety of cordless rotary tools, paired with the extensive assortment of accessories, offers unmatched versatility. Precision and power without limitations means you can work anywhere and create new opportunities. One battery powers every tool in the robust 18-volt 1+ family. With extended battery runtime and performance, get the power to do more. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to power tools, just like there's no so-called typical power tool user. With this comprehensive array of dedicated solutions, always have the right tool for the job, no matter your passion. Again, let's be honest, we've come a long way and have a lot we can learn from each other. Let's keep talking, keep learning, teaching, giving, and creating. We're stronger together, and together, we have the power to create, innovate, and build a new and better tomorrow.